There's lots of different use cases for this, but I'm not going to list them all out now. But basically, sometimes you're going to want to view your Squarespace website in what's known as safe mode. So safe mode disables all the scripts on your website. It means your code blocks, your embed blocks, and your markdown blocks all have their code disabled. So that's things like JavaScript, HTML, etc. They're all disabled, and then you can see the code blocks, because usually when you embed a code block on your website, you can't see it, and it kind of makes it hard to edit sometimes. So what this does is it shows the blocks up, it turns them grey, and it puts a little bit of text on them so you can see exactly where all the code blocks are, and you can edit without the script running. This is kind of a more advanced need for people who are basically building with a lot of code in Squarespace. But if that's you, let's say you're like me, you're a professional Squarespace developer, you may want to use this, and it's just a really good tool to have in your arsenal. So I'm going to show you, hopefully in about 10 seconds, how to use safe mode on Squarespace. Okay, so we're looking at my site here. Well, not my site, the Code Examples website. And basically we have some codes. We have some HTML embed, two Calendly embeds. Let's just say there is a particular use case where we don't want to see any code. Okay, what we want to do is go to our URL bar, and you can see we have the codeexamples.squarespace.com URL /config, which means we're in the dashboard. What we want to do after that is literally just type safe. Now, when we type safe, what you'll see down here is a change, and it says scripts have been disabled on your site preview. This means that all of the scripts on your website are now disabled in the back end. On the front end, they're completely fine. So if I just quickly go over to the Code Examples website that's live, quickly put in the password, you can see if we go down here that the scripts, aka code embeds, are still live. But on the back end, you'll see every embed block has this. Embedded code, this block contains embedded code that has been disabled. Same down here. So all of your code blocks get disabled, and you can see what your site looks like without code. Now, as I've said earlier on in the video, this is for really niche specific use cases. Most of the time it's going to be for professional devs just checking things. But, if you do come across a time where you need to go, oh, I need to maybe find code blocks that I can't see because you can see them, they come up grey, or you just need to disable scripts for whatever reason, this is how you do it. Super simple. Just put your Squarespace URL /config /safe. But if you want to go back into non-safe mode where you can see all of your scripts, all you do is just click enable scripts in preview. It's going to refresh your page, and then you go down and all your scripts are back in business. And that is that. So if you found this useful, please make sure to leave a like, hit subscribe, and check out all of the Squarespace resources in the description below.